First of all, let me show you the question which I have taken from the board examinations. One full web page question is there. Is the paper visible to both the sections A and D? Sahaj, Arsheen, Rhythm Chadda, Saksham, 41 roll number 10 थे. Is the paper visible? रिदम आप प्लीज वीडियो पे रहिए बेटा. रिदम बेटे आपकी वीडियो ऑफ नहीं होनी चाहिए, आप वीडियो ऑन करके रखो अपनी, ठीक है? All right, everybody keep a notebook in front of you. Yeah, that's right, Rhythm. Very good. अपने पास एक कॉपी खोल के रखो रिदम, मेरे साथ साथ कोडिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको, राइट? ओके, दिस इज द वेब पेज which came in the year 2018 CBSE board. In this web page, there is one concept of hyperlink. This feature, this instruction is related to hyperlink, okay? And hyperlink still is not in your syllabus right now. So far PT1 exams are concerned, so we'll be ignoring that point, okay? So carefully go through this web page. Divyansh, is the paper visible to you? Princey, Jia? Okay, carefully go through this web page. Heading, this image, then this subheading, then the paragraph. In this web page, you will come across two special characters also, @ and copyright symbol. When this paper was being conducted, after the exam, many students, when I discuss the paper with them, they just draw the copyright symbol as it is. But I told you yesterday that there is one code for that. You are not to draw the symbol as it is. So shall we start the coding? All right. So I just minimize this paper. All right. This is your web page. This is your web page. All right. So I'm going to start explaining the code of this web page. First of all, we have the heading Football Club, and the heading is in blue color. The board has given instruction that heading is blue in color. The title of the page is Football Club. The title of the page is Football Club. So head tag, inside the head tag, I am taking the title tag, and title is given Football Club. And close this title tag and close this head tag. Okay, this much portion is the first instruction. This portion which I have shaded in front of you is your first instruction. बेटा ये बोर्ड का पैटर्न है, अभी से मैं चाहता हूं कि आप बिल्कुल ट्रेन हो जाएं. So carefully observe what I am doing. The heading is blue in color. This is the heading, Football Club. It is blue in color. Next, font of the entire document is Arial. Means in the entire web page, the face, the style of the font is Arial. In the complete web page, the style of the font is Arial. Now see carefully, in this question, nothing has been given with respect to size of the text. Okay, nothing has been given with respect to background color of the body. बॉडी बैकग्राउंड के बारे में क्वेश्चन साइलेंट है. फॉन्ट का साइज क्या होगा, वो किस हेडिंग एलिमेंट में होगा, द क्वेश्चन इज साइलेंट. सो फ्यू थिंग्स यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम योर ओन, राइट. सो आई एम टेकिंग the heading, the body background color as silver. You can take any background color. I am taking the background color as silver. Am I clear up till here? Divita, Isha, Preet, Saharsh, Srishti. Am I clear up till here, bete? Himanshu, Lakshya, Naina. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So I have taken the body background color as silver. You can take any background color as per your convenience. I have taken the heading in H1. Preferably heading must be prominent, and to have the prominent heading, we always prefer the highest heading element, which is H1. H1 heading element has one attribute, align. Every heading element has only one attribute, align. And the value of align, I have given center. Now the instruction says the heading should be blue in color. This heading should be blue in color. So what I have done, students, I have taken the font tag color equal to blue. I have taken the font tag color equal to blue. Clear? Now this is my heading, football club. After that, I close the heading element 1. I close the font tag. So my this much portion is ready. Football club is ready. Now I have to set the picture. Now I have to set the desired picture. Now with respect to picture, the question is saying image use is football.jpg. Beta, as so far your theory paper in the board is concerned, read this instruction carefully. Image use is football.jpg, but the location of the image has not been given to you. The question is completely silent with respect to the location of the image. वो image D drive में है कि वो image C drive में है is not known to you. In this case, what you are to do, see carefully what I am doing in the coding. What you will do, you will take the image tag src equal to football.jpg. That's it. See this. Only in the case of theory exam, not in the practical paper. Okay. Am I clear to everyone? Now, since we are working practically, so in my laptop, this image football1.jpg is saved in the KGWing file folder. I show the folder to you so that I can tell you how to incorporate the image in the web page. In my desktop, there is one folder, KGWing file. So many images I have. Here is the image football1. Is the image icon visible? Rhythm. Visible icon. Okay. So right click on it. Go to properties. Select the location. Right click on it. Copy the location. And see the name of the image, extension of the image. Click on OK. ओके पे क्लिक करने के बाद यू विल कम टू द कोडिंग विंडो, यू विल क्लिक हियर, यू विल पेस्ट, the location will come up till here. Location will come up till here. You have to put the slash again from your own side, and you have to type the name of the image along with the extension. Okay. Now there is one concept here. Image is placed in the center. Who will tell me the solution of it? I have told you many times, if image comes in the center, how to put it in the center of the web page. Let me test whose hands are more being raised by 10th A or 10th D. It's equal. Very nice. Good response. All right. I have so many options. Okay, Lakshya Tandon, come on the video and give the answer. Whosoever give the answer has to come on the video. Yes, beta. What is the solution according to you?
Sir, using center tag.
Excellent response, Lakshay. Very good. I appreciate. You have to take center tag separately if you want the image to be coming in the center of the web page. Okay. So I have taken the center tag, right? And this is the image tag, and close the center tag. This is the only valid solution if you want to align image in the center of the web page. Clear? Then font of the entire document is Arial. Okay. So I have taken the font face equal to Arial, right? Now for the rest of the text, I am taking H3. My heading is in H1, but for rest of the text, I am taking H3. You can take H2. You can take font tag size equal to 4, size equal to 5 as per your choice. Now, I am coming here. Football club is okay. Image is okay. Now I am here. The subheading. Welcome to the website of Manchester Football Club. Now this is bold. So what I have done, I have used B tag, bold tag. I type the content, I close the bold tag, then I give the BR. Because after this, I have to start the next line, the Manchester Football Club. So I'll definitely apply BR after the club word. That is what I have done over here. Clear? 10th class? Yes. 10th. Am I clear up till here? Okay. Now, what about this complete paragraph? Now here I have to create a paragraph. So I will take the paragraph tag, P tag, and I am setting the alignment of the paragraph as justify. Justify means equal distribution from the left and from the right. It's not that uneven on the left or uneven on the right. It's equal distribution from the left as well as from the right. So I have taken the align attribute and I have given the value justify. Paragraph tag and heading elements tag, they have only one attribute, that is called align. Okay. And the value of align attribute can be left, right, center, justify. Clear? So I type the paragraph. Now see here. The Manchester Football Club is based in United States of America and has a long and proud history. Proud history is underlined. Now, the hyperlinks are always underlined. You access Instagram, you access Facebook, you access other social networking sites. Sometimes you come across the underlined words which are blue in color. Your pointer changes to hand shape symbol, and when you click on them, you get connected to other web page. That highlighted word is called hyperlink. Now, everything which is underlined is not hyperlink, but hyperlinks are always underlined. I repeat my line. Every hyperlink will be underlined automatically, but everything which is underlined is not hyperlink. How we'll get to know that whether the underlined text is hyperlink or not? Examiner in the board will give the instruction. Read this instruction. The page is linked to proud history to history.html. This concept is not yet in your syllabus. Here we have to use the anchor tag to create the hyperlink. Okay, so right now I'm skipping this point and I am considering it to be the simple text which is underlined. Okay, so I have taken the U tag and I have enclosed the text between the U opening and underline closing tag, right? I just told you that we can create hyperlinks with the help of anchor tag. Beta, this is our anchor tag, A. Okay. And this A tag stands for anchor tag. It is used to create hyperlinks in the web page. It has first attribute href, hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference equal to give the name of the web page to which you want to connect to. As per the instructions, I want to connect to history.html. So I'll be writing here history.html. यहां पे उस वेब पेज का नाम आता है जिसके साथ आपने कनेक्ट करना है. Okay, angle bracket closes. Now here I will type the hyperlink जिस पर क्लिक करके आपका ये वाला वेब पेज ओपन हो जाएगा. So in the question, my hyperlink is proud history. So I write here proud history and I close this anchor tag. When I will click on this proud history, this web page will get open. So this proud history is a hyperlink. It will be in blue color. The mouse pointer will be changed to hand shape symbol and it will be underlined. I have explained the concept for your knowledge, but this concept in detail we'll be doing after the PT1 exams. But for your knowledge, I have told you the brief meaning how to create the hyperlink. For now, I am considering it to be the simple underline and I have used the underline tag. So at the end, I close the paragraph tag after typing the paragraph. Now, coming to this year's motto. Okay, so I type the line this year's motto. This is also underlined and this is not hyperlink. This is not hyperlink. So I am not applying any hyperlink command over here. So this year's apostrophe S motto colon and then BR. We are the best. Now we are the best is shown in italics. So I have taken I tag over here. I have taken I tag over here and I close the I tag. Okay, I close the I tag. Clear? राइट। वेब पेज में आपको खुद देखना है कौन से वर्ड्स बोल्ड हैं, कौन से अंडरलाइन है, तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू सेट द बोल्ड, इटैलिक एंड अंडरलाइन टैग। देन HR. Now carefully see the HR. It's not covering the entire width of the screen. Some portion is left from the right, some portion left from the left side. So I have taken HR width 80%, approximate idea 80 to 90%. Size I have taken 3, color I have taken blue. Now, next line. If you have any questions about us, send us the mail at manr@football.us. So again, I have taken the text. I type the text. Now add the rate symbol. This is the code, HTML code to display at the rate symbol. You can note it down. Ampersand hash 64 semicolon is the HTML code to display the at the rate or separator symbol in the web page. You can note down the code if you want. Then last instruction, bottom message is of size 2. This is the bottom message. Copyright Manchester Football Club, last updated 30th July 2017. Now it is saying bottom message is of size 2. So here I close the H3. Here I close this font tag. Right? Now I have taken font size equal to 2. Font size equal to 2. Now again I am creating the paragraph. First of all, I come across this copyright symbol. So I have taken the code of copyright, ampersand copy semicolon. Ampersand copy semicolon. I type the text up till 30th. Up till the value 30 I type the text, क्योंकि 30 के बाद ये देखो th raised to power. So here I have taken superscript tag. th raised to power है above the normal line, so I have enclosed the th within the superscript tag July 2017, and I close the paragraph tag and I close rest of the tags. Now this line is appearing on the right side, so I have given the value aligned right to my paragraph tag. Okay, now I show the browser view to you. So that you people can see the output of the web page. See here. Is the browser view visible to everyone? Parikshit Gandhi, is the browser view visible? This is the output of the web page. Divyansh, Karanjot Singh, is it clear? Karanjot Singh 25 roll number 10 थे. Jia Dhawan, Isha Preet Saharsh, is it clear? Himanshu, Srishti, Janvi, Naina, Diksha, concept is clear to you? Tarundeep, Mishti, Imani, Chahat, Keshav, Ankita, Mannat, Vanita, is the concept clear, beta? Vanita. Arpit, Mehak, Aditi Narula. जपलीन, कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. 22 रोल नंबर 10 थे. ओके, विवान, सेयम, दीक्षा, तनेजा, कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर बेटे. भानु प्रताप, अक्षित दुआ, हार्दिक आनंद, कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. तान्या, हर्षदीप, हरलीन, परीना, ऑल ऑफ यू. लक्ष्य मागो, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया बेटा आपको. प्रभजोत, लक्ष्य मागो, मेरे को प्लीज सेंड मी द असाइनमेंट्स टुडे. ओके. चांद, कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. जसलीन, आर्यन. So this was your web page. You can tally with your question. Exactly same. Okay.